Imagine harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize your blog writing process. Picture this: no more writer's block, no more agonizing hours spent wrestling with words, and no more inconsistency in content quality. Is it a dream? No, it's the reality of using ChatGPT in your blogging journey. Today, we're diving into the world of ChatGPT, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI that's changing the game for bloggers everywhere. This AI program is not just capable of generating human-like text, it's a potent tool that can help you valuable time, overcome the dreaded writer's block, and consistently produce high-quality content with minimum effort. But that's not all. The magic of ChatGPT isn't just in its ability to streamline your writing process, but also in its adaptability. It can generate content that aligns perfectly with your blog's tone and style. Intrigued yet? Stay tuned as we reveal how this revolutionary tool can also help you turn your content into a goldmine, monetizing your blogging efforts in ways you never thought possible. Now that we've given you a brief overview of ChatGPT, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you go about using this powerful tool to write your blog posts? Here's a simple step-by-step guide that you can follow. Firstly, choose a topic. This could be something that interests you, or perhaps a subject that you believe would be valuable to your readers. Remember, the more passionate and knowledgeable you are about a topic, the better the content you can create. Next, generate a prompt. This is a sentence or question that clearly communicates the angle of your blog post to the AI. It could be as simple as, "What are the health benefits of green tea?" or as complex as, "Discuss the socio-economic impacts of climate change." Once you feed this prompt into ChatGPT, it's time to sit back and let the AI do its magic. Watch as it generates a comprehensive draft based on your input. The AI uses the information it has learned from billions of pieces of text to create a unique, engaging blog post that aligns with your prompt. Finally, don't forget to edit and refine the generated content. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's not perfect. Review the draft, make necessary edits, and ensure the content aligns with your blog's tone and style. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily create engaging and high-quality blog content with ChatGPT. No more writer's block. No more hours spent staring at a blank screen. Just a streamlined process that lets you focus on what you do best, connecting with your readers. So go ahead and give it a shot. Happy blogging! But how do we convert this into a lucrative business? That's the focal point of our conversation today. Initially, it's crucial to understand that top-notch, regular content is vital to drawing in and holding on to readers. Using ChatGPT, you'll be able to maintain a consistent stream of interesting content, thus boosting your blog's traffic. More visitors means increased ad revenue, which contributes to your first source of income. Next, you can generate further income through sponsored posts. The speed at which you can produce well-structured articles means you can undertake more sponsored writing assignments. Keep in mind, the more benefits you offer to sponsors, the greater the likelihood of securing profitable contracts. Lastly, you can utilize ChatGPT to create and sell ebooks or courses. By capitalizing on the AI's ability to generate detailed, fluent content, you can create thorough guides, tutorials, or educational products to sell. In summary, ChatGPT is an exceptional tool that can significantly improve your blog writing procedure. It can assist in maintaining a consistent stream of appealing content, attracting more readers, and unveil numerous avenues for income. Remember, the secret to successfully monetizing a blog involves providing value to your readers and sponsors. With ChatGPT, you can accomplish this effectively and on a larger scale. Therefore, the next time you're about to pin a blog post, contemplate using ChatGPT. It could be the pivotal change you need. Welcome the future of blogging and embark on your journey towards a more profitable blogging career. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to revisit what we've covered today. We've delved into how ChatGPT can revolutionize your blog writing process, transforming it into a consistent, efficient, and profitable endeavor. From generating engaging content to monetizing your blog posts, we've explored how this AI tool can offer immense benefits. Remember, the key to a successful blog is providing value to your readers and sponsors. With ChatGPT, you can do this more effectively and on a larger scale. So why not make the leap? Give ChatGPT a try and see how it can elevate your blogging game.